This video is taken at Sood Chemi India Private Limited, Cochin. We thank the management for allowing us to take this video inside the factory. Biomass gasifier installed is of 500 kg per hour capacity to replace 150 lph of MTO. The gasifier is connected to 7 thermal applications with dryers. These operate at different temperatures. The gasifier has necessary safety features and is automated for various activities. Biomass preparation system. This comprises of coconut shell crusher, loading bin with bin flap door, electric hoist, loading chute, etc. with necessary structural support. Biomass loaded manually into the bin is lifted by the electric hoist and with the opening of the bin flap door gets emptied into the gasifier. Gasifier reactor comprises of brick-lined reactor with primary air entry from the top and secondary air entry through air nozzles. Twin air entry design feature. Peripheral air nozzles and central air nozzles for higher capacity with water seals for automation. The reaction taking place: drying, pyrolysis, combustion, reduction and hot gas formation. Ash charcoal removal system comprising of screw conveyor, geared motor, cyclic timer. Normal mode with top valve open and bottom valve closed. The screw is cooled both internally and externally to reduce the operating temperature in this area. This is a closed loop clean water circuit. Gas cooling and cleaning system. The first level of gas cleaning occurs in the cyclone. Solid particles of larger size are removed in this. Subsequent cooling and cleaning of the gas occurs with twin scrubbers. The gas is brought down close to ambient temperature. The scrubbed gas will carry water particles along with it, and the same is removed using a moisture trap. The dry gas gets into the blower. Initially, the cold and clean gas generated is flared till it reaches quality acceptable to feed for end use. The blower delivers the pressurized gas to the burner. If constant pressure is desired, VFD will have to be employed. The water under circulation needs to be treated online and the entire system is provided. ETP tank is filled with dirty water, polyelectrolyte solution, alum solution and stirred well and allowed to settle. After settling, the water is sent through pressurized sand bed and activated carbon filter. Clean treated water gets back to the system. The scrubbers are mounted on a water seal to prevent air entry and also help in excess pressure relief. The oxygen level in the gas is monitored, which ensures there cannot be any explosion. The pumps are provided with pressure switches along with audio-visual annunciation to ensure the quality of cleaning. The hot gas exit temperature and water seal temperature is monitored for equipment safety. Backup standby pumps for all critical operations to ensure trouble-free running. Diversion of the gas towards the feed only with gas request from one of the end-use equipment. Diversion of the gas to the flare line in the event of power failure, flame failure along with automatic ignition of the gas being flared. Safety alarm for excessive time ash discharge valve open, biomass loading, screw unable to operate. During maintenance or unload, continuously the ash charcoal has to be discharged. Hence, both top valve and bottom valve needs to be kept open. Operation and automation features. Energize the panel in startup mode. Water seals discharge water and keep all the air nozzles open. The top lid lifts up and allows twin air entry into the gasifier. The loading chute moves from the retracted position to in position to facilitate biomass loading. The flare valve opens, allowing gas into the flare burner. Start the pump sequentially. Ignite the charcoal bed to start the process of gasification. Once the gas quality is established, ignite the flare and allow combustion of gas generated. Shift to run mode once the request comes from the dryer and the towel lamp glows. Press the run button and the gas gets diverted from flare mode to feed mode. Maintain the log of various pressure readings, oxygen percentage and temperature readings. Press the discharge switch to allow emptying out of the ash charcoal from the bin. Power failure, flame failure, no gas request or manual intervention will result in emergency shutdown. Gas gets diverted from feed mode to flare mode with auto ignition of flared gas. Immediately, the air nozzle valves get filled with water, thus stopping secondary air entry into the system. After a delay of couple of minutes, ash discharge top valve closes. Loading chute retracts and lid closes, preventing air entry. Various pumps switch off. Water entry to air nozzles stops. After 20-minute delay, the flare valve closes and the control supply is cut off. De-energize the panel to complete shutdown.